Hi guys, Odeyemi Akemi is my name. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching us on how to do uh, the harvest finance, which is under the smart contract stuff, where you make money when you invest little and you get something out, just as we have been doing from our Binance Smart Chain. We were using the TWT under the Binance Smart Chain, right? But now we are not going to be using the Binance Smart Chain with this very one. We are using a wallet because you need a wallet. We are using a wallet known as MetaMask. If you already have MetaMask wallet, skip this section. If you don't have it, head on to Google. When you go to Google, type MetaMask. We are going to be using the this now. What is it called? MetaMask add-on. So the extension, you can just type MetaMask add-on or MetaMask extension. So you just click on this extension. So all you need to do is just to say add extension. In my own case, I've already added it. So you just need to add your extension and approve it. Okay, you just need to add your extension and approve it. You log in, you put your password, just that. Once it is done, it will appear at the upper right hand side of the website of your Chrome, upper right hand side. Then we can now proceed to the stuff here. Then another thing you need to have, so let me just guide you as we go. So now when you come to this website known as harvest.finance, Control C here. So you see harvest.finance, this is the website here. And for those of us who see very well, you can pause this video and see how to install MetaMask here. This is the link here. You can just go to publish this website here. This website, you can just go here and type how to install MetaMask. Okay, this very website, just this. Okay, so now don't let's get it complicated. You need your MetaMask. I just told you how to install your MetaMask, or you go to Google and type how to install MetaMask. Okay, so it will explain to you. It's very easy, very easy. Within the space of 2 minutes, you are done. So now, once you get to Harvest, click on Connect. You have to connect. So now you can see it gave me option. It's giving me option to connect. I'm connecting with my MetaMask. So I haven't connected. So asking me to connect with the right network. Maybe I've not signed in. Okay, I have to pause this video now. Yeah, I've seen the reason. I have more than one connection on my MetaMask network. I have both Binance Smart Chain network and Ethereum network. And as I've told you, the Harvest Finance uses Ethereum network. So you just want to sign into your MetaMask that is on Ethereum. So I have to connect now. So look at that. It's connected automatically. So now I will not dwell much here. Let me just go to so I don't know why all these are not available. Why? Maybe they are upgrading them, because once it is connected, you can see a lot of things. I will just show you the overview on how to get it done. This is mine. I've already staked and is here. But let me just give you the overview on how it works. When you come here, you decide where you want to invest. And because I can see here, everyone here, we cannot invest here because nothing is showing up, nothing. Maybe we come back to this later, but let me just show you how to go about it. I think everything, nothing is showing here. The only thing that is showing here is the index, is the farm, which is their own token. This is what they pay you when you are doing this. They pay you farm token. Now let me start from here. If you want to invest, you go through this. I would have taught you this double pair. That is what I did. But let me just, because hence now we cannot do this, let me just teach you how to do the farm. Then later in my next video, when this comes up, we do the double pair because it's somehow technical, very technical. So you click on the farm, hence it is the one that is available now. Click on the vault. From the vault, you will see something. You will see where to actually buy it, where to get it, where to get the pool. So it is auto stake, which means it is compounding. It will be compounding and be staking by itself. So you don't need to do anything. You just have to invest once and it's done. So by itself. So you get paid 55.98% normally, and apart from the compounding. So, but in this case now, what I intended showing you is not even here. But let me just show you the next website we need is what is known as Uniswap, because that is what is used. Uniswap. Okay, so we'll be using Uniswap in this case. So let's quickly go to Uniswap. Go to your Google. If you don't know the website, just type Uniswap. So we're going to be using Uniswap V2. That is what we will be using now. This is it here, app.uniswap.org. Click on it and let's go there. So what do we want to do in Uniswap? It's just that we actually need to buy farm token because we want to farm now. We want to invest in farm. So we need farm token. So we go to Uniswap and we look for before then, once you get to your Uniswap, make sure you have deposited money in your MetaMask. The option here is Ethereum. You transfer money to your Ethereum. Okay, you transfer money to your Ethereum. So you need to transfer money to your Ethereum. It is from this money you used to buy here, because once you put on your Uniswap, it will ask you to connect. That is why you are seeing this here. This thing you are seeing is because I'm connecting to different accounts. There are different accounts I'm connecting to. But in your own case, you might just want to connect to your own account. See, this MetaMask here, let me show you something now. You see what is here? 0.03368. That is what you see here now. Look at it here now. Because it has been connected. That is the smart contract we are talking about. So because it has been connected, so how much farm token do you want to invest in? So what I have here, don't forget, it's just $67 here because I've used it. And I have approximately $67 here in this account. So which means on this Uniswap, I'm having 67. And I want to buy harvest token to invest in the harvest here. Sure you understand. So I will now come to my Uniswap. After I have linked my Uniswap together with my MetaMask, I will now go here to swap my Ethereum for farm token. Now select a token. I will type here farm and let's look at it. Yeah, you see this, but this, because if you scroll down here, and you don't see the token you are looking for, the token I've already added it. Look at what is written, added by user. It means it was not here. I had to add it. How do I need to add it? I need the contract for me to add it. How do I get the contract? So how do I get the contract? Because there are a lot of fake tokens online. What you need to do is to come to this chart. Click on charts here. This is very important. Listen to it very well. If you are to add a token, you need to add, don't just add a token directly to your Uniswap or to any of your either to your TWT app, either to your Uniswap app, either to any of those DApp app. Don't just add any token. Otherwise, you will add fake token. Your money will get lost. So, but when you get to Uniswap, for you to add that token, I told you click on what? Chart. Once you click on chart, this comes up. And click on token here. You see here, click on token here. We want to look for that token you want to add, or the pair you want to add, mostly the token. Then you type here, type farm here. Let's see if it is there. If it is there, we will know. It is not. You see, it is not. But we need it. So what do we do? We need this farm token. As in, we really do need it. Okay, I made mistake in the spelling, right? Farm. Okay, click on see more. Once you click on see more, it is the token I want, not the pair. So I will click on see more. This is the token here. I need the token, not the pair. So I need to click, I need to look for the token. But what I'm still seeing here are the pairs. Become. Now look at the token here. I will click on more. I just want to see if only the farm token will pop up. The one that is written just farm. More. So the process farm Defi P farm. No, we are almost there. We need just farm. Here, look at it here. This is it. Farm, right? But we need the symbol. This is the symbol of the farm we are looking for, like the tractor. So we mustn't mix it together. We need this symbol. That symbol must be there to let us know it is the right thing we are looking for. But if we are not really getting it here, so all we need to do is to go back to this place. When you click on this farm, you see this detail, you will see what is written here. iFarm, see pool. Let's click on this. Once you click on that pool, it will tell you the name of the token and the contract. What we are looking for is the token and the contract. So if you get this right, then address. Okay, this is iFarm. It is not iFarm we are looking for. We are looking for farm, right? Search by block token. Let's type farm here. Farm. Look at it here. Look at what we are talking about here. Very easy. Under the ETA scan, type farm and click on it here. And I will tell you what you are looking for now. You are looking for the contract. This is the contract. This is the contract. This is the token. Farm reward tokens. What you are looking for, farm. Then come to where it's written contract. This place, copy it. Just click on this thing here. Copy it. Go back to your Uniswap. This place where you are looking for the token. Remember, you don't have it. This place there. Paste. You see, once you paste it, you bring it out. You click on it. This is when you know that you've gotten the right thing. Then you want to convert some token from your Ethereum to farm. So all you need to do, if I click on Maze, it has given me that. This means that I will be getting 67. But how do I pay for my gas? Once you click on swap, it will generate, and you have to pay for gas. So it means you need to have some money to pay for gas. I'm not ready to do this swapping because I'm not buying it. So once you click on swap, this MetaMask here will pop up and it will tell you to approve. So you have to approve it. So there is going to be some charges to be paid, and you pay. Once you paid, this money will be converted to farm, and automatically after you will have it here. You will be able to have it here. You will be able to have the money. So once you have already gotten the money, so the next thing to be done is to click on pool. You click on pool and you click on add liquidity. Once you click on add liquidity here, okay, you are not adding any liquidity here because it's not pair. It is only when they are pairs. It is only when they are like this, when they are two like this, two when they are pairing. Oh, this has come back. Good. Good. This was what I was talking about. That's come back. Look at it here. Good. You staked. Look at what I staked here. This is the percentage. It's reducing. It keeps reducing. It has gone to 140. That is why the earlier you jump into this, the better. It has gone to 140. Okay? It has gone to 140 from 700 plus. And let me see. This also have reduced drastically. They have adjusted it. They have adjusted it very much. Well, you just have to jump at it before it is readjusted again. I know new one will come out. So I think let me just explain to us using this here is much more better. And I've spent 17 minutes. I will be explaining this to us in the next video. Thanks for watching.